Yes, we celebrated World Mental Health Day this week, and this video is something related to that. Hello everyone, this is Calliope, and today I'm going to talk about depression and how you can combat the initial stages in a few steps. What is depression? Depression is a common but serious mood disorder. It causes severe symptoms that affect how you think, how you feel, and how you handle daily activities like eating, sleeping, working, etc. These are some of the signs and symptoms you will notice at least for 2 weeks. Persistent sadness or feeling anxious, feelings of hopelessness and pessimism, irritability, feeling of guilt, worthlessness, helplessness, loss of interest or pleasure in any activity, decreased energy or fatigue, moving or talking slowly, feeling restless or having trouble sitting still, difficulty in concentrating, remembering things, or making decisions, difficulty in sleeping, either lack of sleep or waking up early mornings or actually oversleeping, appetite loss or weight changes, thoughts of death or suicide attempts, aches or pain, digestive problems, cramps, headache without any actual physical cause. These are a few tips I can give to combat initial stages of depression. Number 1, have a routine. Try following a routine every day. You may feel like staying up late, flipping through social media, um, sleeping late, but don't do that. Try and go to bed early so that you can wake up early. Have home cooked meals, try cooking, clean your house, do your daily work, uh, whatever routine you follow, and get back to work. Do not put off whatever has to be done now, whether it's paying your bills or whether it's completing your assignments. Continue doing that. Nothing has to stop. You may not feel like doing things, but try and follow a routine. Keeping a timetable to do stuff, and follow that throughout the day. Number 2, eat a healthy diet. Yes, most of the time you won't feel like eating anything and you want to skip your meals. Sometimes some people actually overeat. They find comfort in food and that's why they overeat. So avoid doing that and try to eat your meals time to time, like every 2 hours, and try to keep a balanced diet. Number 3, remain active. Go for a walk, at least for 20 minutes, or do proper 30 minutes to 45 minutes of exercise. Do yoga. They say that meditation helps a lot in actually combating depression. So go ahead and do that. Silence your thoughts. Number 4, do not withdraw. Now, you might feel like just staying indoors and staying in your room, not talking to anyone, but don't do that. Keep in touch with your friends. Talk to people you can trust, like your family, your close friend, who are not going to judge you and who are just going to be compassionate towards you and listen to you. It's important to talk about what you're feeling. So surround yourself with nice, positive people who mean a lot to you and who are going to be your support system. Number 5, do things you enjoy. Pick up that hobby you may have left behind. Go to your favorite club with your friends, or listen to positive and amazing music, or go hiking with your friends, travel. Go and visit maybe a pet dog your friend has, or I wouldn't say like get a pet, but yes, at least you can do that. Like, because they say like pet therapy really helps, so go ahead and spend time with a friend's pet. Lastly, I would say that you need to challenge negative thinking. You need to analyze why you are feeling this way, and sometimes some things are just not in our control, and yes, bad things can happen to good people, so you just need to accept that this has happened, you're feeling like that, but you need to just probably start thinking positive, move on. In the end, I would just say that these are a few self-help tips I have mentioned about combating depression, but you need to seek professional help if you feel that your depression is getting worse. Like, I would like to say this to everyone. If you feel that a close friend or any family member, any loved one is going through something like that, please do not miss these signs. Just talk to them, and if you have to seek professional help, go ahead and do that. For all those people who might be remotely also suffering from any depression, please understand that you are not weak. Getting help is not a sign of weakness. You're just doing that to make yourself feel better. So you don't have to feel ashamed. Depression can be treated. Alright, so that's it from me, folks. I hope this video makes sense. I hope it makes a difference in at least one person's life. If you like the video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and please comment below and let me know your stories. If this video has helped anyone, I would love to read those comments, and please share this video with your friends. If this video is going to help anyone of your friends, please go ahead and do that, and please subscribe if you're enjoying my content. Please go ahead and press the subscribe button. Until next time, it's bye bye from me. Take care.